ko Chelsea Solomon Waikawaho, nō te Whakaki Nui Arua, and you're here at our marae today, Whakaki marae, to do the mahi of our community planting day.
Yeah, tell me about the community planting day, please. Where did this kaupapa come from?
So in the early 2000s, from the support of Ngā Whenua Rāhui, our Whakaki Lake trustees at the time came into some pūtea to be able to create our beautiful nursery that we still have today, and from that we established our ngahere on the far side of our roto over there, and then now today the mahi is to take those rākau that we've grown and put them back out in our taiao to enhance the habitat for the taonga species that we have here, improve our water quality for our tuna and those things that our taonga that live within our waiū.
Yes, yeah, absolutely, that is beautiful. How important is it for whānau to gather on a day like this to support this kaupapa?
Oh, the sense of connection to whenua, you can't understate that at all. It's probably one of the biggest things that we find, especially for our whānau who are away from home. They have that sense of moke for home, and they might even feel like, oh, you know, I'm whakamā because I don't come back. Well, this is your day, whānau. No mai haramai. Take your hu off if it's a nice day. Get in that whenua, feel that whenua, and it just really pickies the wairua.
By planting native trees, they provide an immense benefit to our taiao, whether it's cleaning our waterways, returning the ngahere for our native manu and our flora and fauna species that are taonga here in Whakaki, and also returning the mauri of our wai, cleaning our waters, reducing erosion, improving carbon, all for our pātaka kai, because if the wai is healthy, our people are healthy, and if our people are sick, the taiao is sick. It's immensely important for our whānau, not just for us here that live here in Whakaki today, but for the future generations, that this mahi will benefit in terms of planting seeds in our rangatahi, that are doing some beautiful mahi supporting this, returning our ngahere to Whakaki. And the important thing, I guess, is that without our whānau coming out and tautoko in this mahi, it's not a success. We could really get contractors and kaimei to come plant all this, but without that connection to whenua, without the connection to the kaupapa, we're not leaving anything, an enduring legacy behind. Yeah. Something that we take from our tipuna wholeheartedly. And this mahi was started generations ago by all our tipuna. I'm proud to be a third generation, just to be the vehicle for that, and supporting all this mahi. It's a really, really beautiful thing.
I'm Tuku. I'm from here actually. I came here to come tautoko my whānau and the kaupapa because this is my land and I decided I need to take care of it.
For any of your younger whānau, like that are still pipi, what advice do you have to give to them for the next planting year?
Oh, just do the mahi and you want to go far, that's all I got to say. I did the mahi and I'm here now.
Yeah, moving forward, we do want to get into bringing pito home. Aye, that's another big tikanga that we'd like to, and that's even strengthens that connection to whenua, which is for my whakaro the most important thing, because then if you love your whenua, you'll come back and you'll awhi these kaupapa.